Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 92 Chevy Blazer here. There you hear the fan working. Some wipers. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. There you can see that anti-lock brake light that's on. There's your horn. I'm just moving over here so you can see the mirrors. We'll go turn the lights. Air blows cold. This is a power seat. Goes up and back. That compressor is what you're hearing, a little bit of noise out of that compressor. Runs nice and smooth. So you can hear the engine. Like I said, the AC compressor's all noisy. If it runs nice and smooth. These are good motors. I have a pickup with this same motor in it. It just seems to run forever. Then you see new battery in it. Custom exhaust there, and there's your tail lights. So pretty decent old Blazer. Like I said, these are pretty good investments because they're definitely holding their own and starting to appreciate. So any questions? 605-695-7391.